Mailchimp versus ActiveCampaign. Two giants in email marketing. One made for speed, the other for power. Which one really delivers? On the left, Mailchimp, the easy, popular platform for quick campaigns. And on the right, ActiveCampaign, the automation powerhouse for deep engagement. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's what we're comparing today: pricing, automation and CRM, email and design tools, segmentation and personalization, analytics and reporting, integrations, customer support, ease of use, and those unique features that might just tip the scales. Let's dig in, category by category. First up, pricing. Mailchimp, and I gotta say, their pricing is super friendly if you're just starting out. They've got a free plan, limited, sure, but it's actually enough for small lists and basic stuff. If you need more, it's still pretty flexible and doesn't break the bank. Now, ActiveCampaign, well, it's way more about premium features, but there's no free plan, and the price jumps as your list grows. Definitely transparent, but your wallet might notice. So, winner here is Mailchimp. It's just easier on the budget, especially in 2025 when everyone's watching that bottom line. Let's talk automation and CRM. Mailchimp gets you started with handy basics, like simple workflows and recommendations. Great if you just want to get something rolling fast. But if you ever tried to do, like, complex sequences, you'll start to feel those limitations. ActiveCampaign? Oh man, it's another world. Imagine visual builders, endless branching logic, scoring leads, tracking sales. It's like, wow, this is what automation geeks dream of. Of course, you do have to dig in and learn a bit more. But for anyone serious about this stuff, ActiveCampaign is the clear winner. Seriously, no contest. Now, design tools. Mailchimp makes this so easy. Drag, drop, pick a template, done. And get this, their creative assistant actually whips up assets for you automatically. Super handy, except you only get one brand kit per account. So if you're juggling brands, it gets annoying. ActiveCampaign. Okay, they let you grab a template straight from a URL, which is kind of genius. Multiple brand kits? Yep, up to 5. It's laser focused on cranking out great emails. Only hitch, you do need to set up a bit more at the start, which might feel like a drag. But overall, both are awesome here. So let's call it a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Mailchimp's mascot, Freddy, used to send users a high five animation after firing off a big campaign? Total mood booster, and just another reason why Mailchimp feels, well, human. All right, on to segmentation and personalization. Mailchimp lets you slice your list by interests or basic behavior, which, fine, gets you started. But say you want wild levels of targeting, like show this email only to folks who bought socks last month. Yeah, that's not really happening. With ActiveCampaign, though, oh, you can go deep. Like annoyingly deep if you're a nerd for data. You get dynamic content, tons of variables. It's wild. Setting it up takes a minute, but for real segmentation and personalization, ActiveCampaign wins this hands down. Analytics and reporting time. Mailchimp keeps it simple. Easy to read campaign reports, audience tracking, and even shows how your open rates stack up against other industries. But if you want to track conversions or get intense with leads, you'll hit a wall. ActiveCampaign? Think in-depth, granular analysis, predictive stats, and actual conversion tracking. It's not as beginner-friendly, but for marketers who want all the numbers and context, it's pretty unbeatable. Winners definitely ActiveCampaign on this. On to integrations. Mailchimp, honestly, is pretty solid. Over 335 native integrations. Covers most popular stuff, including e-commerce. But if you're dabbling in super niche tools, you might run into limits. Now, ActiveCampaign is absolutely wild here. 940 plus integrations. That's almost 3 times Mailchimp's total. Tons of options for apps, CRMs, marketing tools. Some may take more effort to hook up, but still, ActiveCampaign wins. It's just the king of integrations. Let's talk customer support. Mailchimp gives you email and chat support. And if you pay up, there's even phone support. Just watch out if you're on the free plan. Live help is harder to get. ActiveCampaign, though, 24/7 live chat and email on all plans. Plus, they throw in one-on-one onboarding and tons of guides. So if you're ever lost, you'll find help fast. No phone support on the lower tiers, but everything else is top-notch. Winner here? ActiveCampaign, obviously. Ease of use now. Honestly, Mailchimp is the go-to for beginners. The UI? So friendly, it feels like you've used it before. You can get rolling super fast. It's no wonder tons of small businesses swear by it. If you're a power user, though, it might feel a little basic. ActiveCampaign is more like, welcome to a new level. So much customization. Best for agencies and big companies. But yeah, you need training, or else things get confusing quick. For most folks, Mailchimp takes this one. Last category, unique features. Now, Mailchimp has multivariate testing, so you can try out different versions, which is nice. But honestly, that's kind of where it stops. ActiveCampaign, whole new ballgame. Lead scoring, predictive content, AI-powered automations, tracking what people do on your site. It packs in what you need for crazy growth. Thing is, you got to pay up for the fancy stuff. Still, winner is ActiveCampaign for just, well, going the extra mile. So if you're looking at the overall scores for each category, you can see ActiveCampaign edges out in most places, especially if you want those pro features and deep customization. Mailchimp holds its ground for beginners and budget watchers. Pretty impressive. So what's the vibe? Mailchimp is seriously awesome for startups and small businesses who just want to get the job done and keep things simple. But like, if you're aiming to take things to the next level, automations, personalization, all the nerdy stuff, ActiveCampaign is the power user's dream. If you know you'll scale or want all the bells and whistles, ActiveCampaign is your best bet. Found this helpful? Hit subscribe for more smart comparisons and tips to make running your business actually fun.